Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for a collaboration called Mad About Mini Paper Pads. So we are here to encourage you and us to go through our scrappy stash of mini paper pads. That means it can be 2x2, 6x6, 6x7, and 6x8 mini pads. And then of course there's 8x8. Or if you do not have any of those sizes in your scrappy stash, then go through maybe your scrap papers and get them used up on a layout. So I went through my 6x6 and I found this envelope, which was unfinished product from Scrapbook Cards Today. And this was released, I think, March or February of 2020. And then on the back, they would tell you what was included in the sampler. And this actually says this is March of 2020 sampler. And we have My Mind's Eye and Simple Stories. I think this paper is My Mind's Eye and some of the embellishments, and then some of the embellishments are Simple Stories. But then again, I think it's I Am collection because there's a life card. Yes. So I apologize. So my pattern paper must be the Simple Stories I Am collection. And then maybe some of the embellishments from My Mind's Eye. I don't remember. I apologize. But the point is, I'm going to use it and create a layout. So let's look at what I have left over. So I have this sticker sheet right here. It has all of that. I have these foam word phrases that say wonderful, blessed, and love with a flower. I have this die cut piece that says dream. This strip of paper. And then I have these round tabs with numbers on them. Not sure how I'm going to incorporate that, but we have those there. And then I have this sticker here, which I do not believe this came in this sampler kit. I think it just got put with it from creating a layer using the other pattern papers that came in the kit. We have this butterfly, and I see no purple, so I will probably fussy cut that butterfly out to get it used up. I have this little tab right here with some journaling lines. If I could journal real tiny, possibly. And then here's 2 life cards. Enjoying the ride, I am. And here are, that's scrap paper. And then here is 4 6x6 pattern papers. And then here are 2 leftover scrap papers from this collection. Oh, I think I'll use that side and this side. And then I also grabbed from my scrappy stash my dolly die and my stitch square. And I think I can use this larger one as my base layer for my photograph. So like a mat. I thought that would be nice and interesting. And then I also grabbed from my scrappy stash these items that I thought would go well with my papers. Oh, and I forgot, and these enamel dots were included. I'm not a real fan of them, but I will try to make it work, at least get a few of them. Let me figure out my direction, what pattern papers I want to die cut, and I will come back and we will start embellishing my layout together. Okay, I am back and I die cutted out my dolly using the die cut dolly from Close to My Heart, and it's still available. And yes, I am a Close to My Heart consultant, and it is CC5226. In case you want to pick it up, I will put that link listed below. And then for my stitch square, I used the large one, but I went ahead and put in the middle of my paper the medium and the small so that I could use up my scraps. Didn't go to waste. And I don't know if this one's still available, but it's Z4259 from Close to My Heart. I'm not sure if it's still available. I think it is. So we have that. And off camera, I went ahead and matted my photograph in the French vanilla. And now I have this scrap paper. So let's place that underneath there like that, I think. Yep. And then I have this one, and I'm going to place it here. And you could dovetail this or fishtail, make a fishtail. I'm not a fan of that. And then I have this paper and this paper. And I have the back side. I don't care for that. I don't know if I want to double mat that. I'm not liking that. I like this by itself. So we're going to keep that like that. And maybe I can go across like this. Not sure. Place that right there. Do some overlapping. Enjoy the ride. This says amazing enough. Maybe I have to slide that out. We can at least strong. Yeah, let's have some of those words. Oh, I'm liking this so far. Okay, now remember I have the challenge of using these round circles, so I played around a little bit with them, and I decided I could use these. I had the right numbers to represent my husband and our age at the time of this photograph, and I thought I would do like a little circle banner like that. Let's see what we can do down here, because what do we want to do? Looks kind of plain too. I may end up drawing some wonky lines along here. So maybe we like that, right? We have to scoot this down just a little bit. Those aren't pressed on there hard. So now I am going to pause. I'm at a stopping point. And I'm going to trim out this butterfly and try to find a gold or a brown ampersand that will go with this layout. All right, my layout is complete. I secured everything down. I added my enamel dots right here. I added another sticker phrase right here that says make it count. So we have dreams, make it count. Put the arrow here. I fussy cut that butterfly. I think I'm going to put a foam adhesive behind there to pop that up. And then I added the little flower that was with these alpha phrases. And now I'm going to outline the edge using the Sepia La Pen. Well, I got interrupted while I was doing my squiggly lines. So I will just tell you what I ended up doing. So of course I used the sepia and went around once, and then I thought, oh, it needs a little bit more of something. So then I used the brown and went around, and then I did 3 spots of little squiggly lines, just kind of draw your eye. So we got that zigzag like this. I so want to add splatters here and maybe a little bit up there, but I am not going to do that. I am going to call this layout finished. I'm very, very pleased how it turned out. Now I want you to get out your mini paper pads or scrap papers and create a layout. And I also want you to go check out the other ladies that are participating this 3rd Saturday of June. and make sure that you show them some love by giving them a thumbs up. And we will see you next time. Bye.